Guys, good evening all. Shared my screen. Can one confirm you can see my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Mm, okay. Okay. So, as I recall, the last session I was discussing about grouping, group by and ordered having classes. I remember I given some tasks to you. These are the tasks actually. So if anyone finish in this order, let me know. I'll try to take a quick review. Or if you're not clear, I'll again explain these things from scratch. And also have a couple of examples to you to demonstrate both group and having. First, let me check with you. Have you done this task? Task 7
Yes, sir.
and
Yes,
oh,
sir.
nice to hear. You are able to understand the the group by things, right? Then in that case.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay, nice. Jyoti, can I make us present?
Yes, sir.
Oh, nice, Ma. So, yeah, I made as a co-host. Please, you can share your screen. And yeah, before you doing it, please close any personal windows. So we'll practice more on select the group by and ordered by again. I mean group by and having again because I know its importance in interviews. Oh, nice, guys. I can see message from Devi, Sandhya. Nice, ma'am. Okay. Screen is about to loading. Yes, we are able to see your screen now. Okay, so I'll keep questions left side to my window, and then I can see your screen at the right side. Wait, wait.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'll go with the first question. So there I was asking you to print department-wise employees count, correct? So just wait, ma. I'll go one by one. Okay. So the first requirement is no. Don't scroll. Yeah, wait. Yeah, total persons. Stay there, ma. Uh, wait. So what you're doing? Total persons, right? Okay. Again, you didn't having count. Oh, you combined both. Okay. Yeah, but let me go with
Third.
this way. So first question. Yeah. The first question is in each department, how many employees are there? That's a question, right? So you return department comma count of department as total persons from employees and group by department. Nice. Okay. So here you'll get department wise count. Okay. Next department wise total salary, correct?
Yes,
Where
sir.
is where is that now? Here it is. Okay. Wait. So yeah, department wise total salary. Just you need to change sum of salaries and group by department. I understand that you added having an order, but yeah, let me
Yes,
review
sir.
first only group by things. Okay. Yeah. First is uh, number of employees in each department. Next, sum of salaries in each department, and next average salaries in each department. Right. The only thing you need to change aggregate always. Next, lowest salary in each department and highest salary in each department. Right.
Yes, sir. I
Guys,
did, sir, all those.
everyone. You're right, ma. Everyone should understand this five question answers. I'll repeat one more time. Number of employees in each department, sum of salaries in their each department, average salaries in their each department, minimum salary in each department, and the maximum salary in each department. If you know these five queries, any complex queries, guys, you can solve it because the group by will deal with aggregates, and these are the five aggregates. Okay. Yeah, go ahead, Ma. Scroll down, and next I was asking, city-wise count, correct? Yeah, I think this one is right. City, comma count of cities. Yeah, this is good, Ma. And then I think, yeah, then I started, having class. So in having class, yeah, actually this is an extension of your group by. If you
Yes,
see my
sir.
requirements, just I given, enhancement of your group by only. So there I was asking department wise count, but there, I was restricting whose department count is below 4, right? So you should say less than 4. That's absolutely correct. Next, whose department between 4 and 6? Yes. Can you scroll down now? Scroll down in between. I think I want to check between. Uh, can you scroll down, Jyoti? Between 4 and 6 more. See, if you are scrolling, but I cannot see your updated screen. Uh, okay, fine. Sorry.
Because I'm
I
troubling with
know,
my
I know.
internet,
No,
sir.
I know. Got it. I can see. Yeah. Having count of department between, yeah, 400. This is what I actually, I was expected. Excellent. You written perfectly right. And then next, whose total salary is below 2 lakhs? Okay. Right, having sum of salary less than 20 lakhs. Yeah, 2 lakhs, I think. Yeah, 20 lakhs, sorry. Okay, nice. That's also correct. Next, show department in ascending order. Okay. Okay. For the above requirement only, 3.1, right? This is. Yeah, I clearly mentioned requirement 3 and 3.1.
Yes.
So in 3.1, you should use ordered by class. So yeah, this is also looking good. Ordered by total salary. Correct, no? This is perfect. And next one is whose average salary is below 50? Yeah, less than 50,000, correct? Next, whose lowest salary is 56,000? Yes, wait. Whose lowest salary is 56,000? See, this is right, ma. I think you have to use equal operator only. Okay. Okay,
Yes,
equal
yes,
operator.
sir.
Okay, minimum salary equal to 56,000 only. It not be, less than. Okay, a small correction.
Yes.
Next, whose count is above 4? Last one. Whose count is above 4? Yes, group by department. And then having count of department is less than 4. No, it should be greater than 4, no? Above 4 means, yeah, that should be greater than.
Yes, sir.
Huh? Okay. Nice, Jyoti. Good efforts. And those who did, the fantastic work. Uh, guys, do you have any questions?
So we should
Coming with
always use
a
having
few
clause
more
along with group by
examples.
clause.
Right, Deva. That's what the discussion we made, right?
Without group by, we cannot use having.
Yes. Yeah. If you're
But
asking
we
me to,
can individually use group by, no, sir?
alone we
Yes,
can
sir.
use group by. See, that's the reason. If you see the task, yesterday's task, Deva, part 1 task I given for only group by. Okay,
Yes, sir.
part 2, clearly I mentioned these are, having nothing but you
Having clause.
should use by before you want to apply having. Clear?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Hmm. Guys, I know it's important in interviews if you are a fresher. That's the reason I was stressing this. Yeah, thanks, Jyoti, for sharing the screen. Guys, I'm back to my screen. Let me know, guys, if any one of requirement you want to you want explanation from me. I have today also I'll be take off of the session for only, again this ordered by group, sorry, group by and having. But if you guys are already tried and if anything you feel difficult, okay, and if you need a summary from my side, I'm happy to explain. Okay. So can I take your silence as everyone on same page? Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay, fine. So I'll go with a new requirement today. Better I'll explain the requirement today and we'll see how many people will answer this query. Guys, I already uploaded one table, maybe on November 14th. The table name is hotels. Okay, the table name is hotels. Let me quickly create it. Okay, so guys, this is the table data. Okay, first let me explain the table content. These are the table IDs 1 to 10. I mean hotel IDs, guys. And hotel name I took, hotel 1 to hotel 10 for simple understanding. Okay, and these are the price per room. Okay, hotel 1 2000, hotel 4 3000, that way, and rating 4 3, and some hotels rating not given, some hotels they are not exposed the prices. Okay, right, this is a, and the location, as you see, some hotels are there in Amirpet. Okay, some hotels are there in SR Nagar, Miapur. Okay, now guys, I'll go with my requirement. Okay, so the requirement one is, this is almost a real-time use case I was discussing. Okay, so my requirement in is, I want to print location. Okay, let's say Amirpet. Okay, let's say Amirpet, and then SR Nagar. Okay, and then Miapur, and yeah, high-tech city is there. That's it, right? I think the only 4 cities are there, correct? Amirpet, SR Nagar, Miapur, and high-tech city. Only 4 cities are there. Okay, now guys, I need the total. How many hotels are there in Amirpet? In hotels, Amirpet, how many hotels are there? If you see the count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, SR Nagar, 1, 2, 3 is there, right? Miapur, I think 1. Okay, and high tech city, I think only 1. Guys, can anyone unmute and tell me the query for this? Hey, I given my requirements very clear.
Select location.
Select
Select
location.
location.
Comma.
Count
Count
of.
name.
Count.
Count
Count of name as
Count of
total.
location.
Count of. Wait. Count of.
Names.
Location, sir.
Count of location. Yes.
Sir.
From hotels.
From hotel.
From hotels.
Group by
From
location.
hotels.
Group by
Group by
location.
location.
That's it. That's it. Right? If you use group by location, first of all, okay, this values will be distinct. Correct? This column values will be distinct this way. Since you are using a aggregate count of location, so it will count Amirpet count, SR Nagar count, and Miapur count, and high-tech city count. Hope this is clear, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now guys, just an add on here. I want to show location-wise. I need location-wise count. I need location-wise count, but whose count is about 2? Whose count about 2? What is the last line I have to add it?
Having
Having count greater than 2.
Having count.
Correct. Having count
having
of
count of
location
location
Count of
greater than
location
two.
greater than
greater
2.
than 2. Correct. Okay. I think guys, everyone are aligned on this. Okay. And guys, if you run this query, definitely you'll see null values also. You know how to ignore the nulls. But since we are focusing on location column, I don't think so you'll get nulls. But you know how to avoid the nulls here. Okay.
This rating is
Chalo.
not on.
No. The rating we are not considering, right? We are discussing only location, right? Okay. So guys, this is the first use case that I want to bring up with you. And also, this is a today class note, guys. I want to take a confirmation from you. Are you really good at the order by group by? I mean, group by and having? Can I get some
Yes,
thumbs up
sir.
symbols, please? Quick. Okay. Then in group by, I was sending 4 more tasks today. If you ask this directly ChatGPT, it will give you less than 2 seconds. But that's not the intention, guys. Okay, that's really not an intention to. If you copy paste it in ChatGPT, it will give you the answers. Okay, so the first requirement is please do it manually. Please do it manually. Okay, so guys, the first example is there's a table called sales. Okay. There's a table called sales. Okay. Maybe I can quickly, yeah. So let's start from sales. Guys, this is, the sales table. So product ID, if you see 11221. Okay. Product ID. That's a pen is there. Okay. Pen is there. So this is a pen ID. And this is a book ID. Just imagine. Okay. Now sales amount. So for the pen, they made 100 sales. They did it on October 1st. I mean, yeah, 1st October. Okay, same pen in 2nd October. Okay, they made 150 sales. Okay, this is another day, guys. Another day, another day, and the same day, 2nd October 2023, for the same pen, again they made more 200. Okay, so this the data in this table. Now the requirement is product ID and total number of sales. Now let's see if pen one, so if you see the total says 100 plus 150 plus 200, 450, right? Next two pen total sales is 500, right? That's the output I needed. If you see this output, I'm sure the query will definitely come in your mind. There's a requirement actually. Calculate the total sales amount for each product. This is a product, right? One is a product, two is a product. Total say nothing but we have to do sum of 100 plus 150 plus 200 for a one product. And for two, we have to do 200 plus 300. I hope you know, guys, how to do it. I was not writing the query, and please don't unmute and tell me the query also. You know the requirement, correct? You are clear? The requirement?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
See, the
sir.
thing is, sir, why you're not explaining the query? The reason is, if I explain properly, in my explanation itself, I'm giving a hint of 80% query to you. 80% query hint I'm giving you. Okay. So this is a little bit complex because I could see the previous batch students, they will struggle to, they'll understand the concept, but they will struggle to write the queries. That's the reason, I was leaving the query for you. And yeah, I'm sending this notepad file now. Again, just load this data, write the query and keep it with you. Tomorrow, if I ask you, share your screen and show me the query. That's it. The second example, students table is there. Okay, students, there's a table called students I'll be taking. Let's load this. Let's select start from students. I know it has some big data, but that's okay. Now, guys, if you see, calculate the score for students who have the same score. That's a little bit tricky. I written for you what output I required. Okay, but in interviews, right? I know, guys, my network was break in between. Now, is it okay? Now, is it okay? Guys, is it okay now?
Yes, sir.
I'm able to hear, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
okay. So, guys, since I have written this output also, then easily can add the query. But try to understand the question first. Calculate score for students who have the same score. Same score means, see, 85 is a score we got for Alice and Charlie. Right? 90 is a score we got from Bob and Eve. Right? And 92 is got from only David. That's the requirement. You understood the requirement? Now, who have the same score? Clear? Guys, clear the requirement?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Let's get into the next another table. I was taking departments. Okay. I think yes, this is you can do it. Department wise total budget. This is equal to on employee table. What is the requirement? This is equal to what is it? What is the employee table requirement that you did?
Total salary.
Total.
Right. Department wise, somehow salary, right? That it. See, IT total salary. If you see, this is 1 lakh plus 1,50,000, 2,50,000. You know, right? How to do it. Okay. And the last problem, guys. Last problem is this is yesterday the Myntra example. Myntra example. I have a table mobiles. Okay. These are the mobile IDs and mobile names, guys. Vivo, Oppo, Redmi, Realme, iPhone. And these are the colors, guys. First, Vivo and Oppo are white, and even Realme also white. Redmi and iPhone are black. Okay. Now, seed output. Yeah, you know the question. The question is nothing but I want to print a color-wise count. Okay, I need color-wise count. White 3 and black 2. Right? Don't unmute and tell me the query, please. You know, right? How to do it, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, nice. I think I'm good about the group and having the notes wise. I have a separate slides to show you. Not today. Okay. Just complete this queries and tomorrow I'll give you the summary of the difference between group by and having again one more time. Okay. Right. That's all for this group by and having. Any queries? Any queries? Okay.
No, sir.
No? Okay.
No.
Fine. So today I have a plan for you. Let's go with a small topic view. I'll go with the small topic views, guys, for today. So first, what I'll do is, hmm, okay, I'll go with this. I know the table is already there, so I'll be deleting it. Drop table uh, employees, and I'll be loading the data again. Do it from it. Okay. Yeah, I know how to get this data from here. Go to object browser, tables. Yeah, guys, let me go back. And I was discussing. So guys, you already know a table. What is the definition of table by seeing this diagram? Can you please define what is table?
It's an object.
You should say a table is a database object. We are browsing the database objects. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Hey, guys.
Yes, sir.
Okay, a table is a database
Yes,
object.
sir.
Similarly, did you finish this?
Yes, sir. Sequence.
Again, same definition. Tell me, what is the definition we can say?
It is an
A
object
sequence
of
is
database.
a sequence is also one of the database objects, so we can browse it. Okay. And today, less than 10 or 15 minutes, we'll be learning this concept view, guys. It's also one of database object. Okay. A view is also database object. My next topic is views only. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to the table now. And also, guys, from here also you can browse it. Okay, tables, views, sequences. Okay. Now I'm going to the table. I just now loaded the data employees. So, guys, this is the employee table data, right? This is the employee table data and employee table data having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Totally 5 columns are there with the 10 rows, right? 5 columns are there with the 10 rows. Wait, I don't see my paint. Okay, I'll erase these things. I need this table. Okay. So guys, this is my table. Okay. So your table name is employees. So for a use case, assume this table has, we know that it has a 5, but just observe this table has 50 columns, guys. Okay. 50 columns and rows are, just imagine we have a 1 lakh rows. Okay, we know it has 10 rows with 5 columns, but just an assumption you can take. So this table has now 50 columns with 1 lakh rows. Okay. Now you can just imagine 50 columns means, and 1 lakh rows, just you can imagine how big the table it is. Okay. But now let's coming to the requirement. So the requirement is now I need employees. Wait, let me take this. Yeah. I need So yeah, I'm done. So guys, yeah, don't think that I have taken only the 5 rows. Just imagine I want to use that 1 lakh rows. But yeah, so my requirement, this is original table, right? On the top you can say this is an original table. So from original table, I need a virtual table, guys, like this. I need a virtual table. Sir, how can I imagine this is in a virtual table? Yes, I'll tell you. Let's say there's the Excel sheet is there. Excel sheet is there with 50 columns with 1 lakh rows. Okay, one Excel sheet is there. But you're not using that 50 column values. You need only 3 column values. Out of 50, you need only 3 column values. And for all 1 lakh rows. So then what you will do, you'll copy the first column and put into another Excel sheet. Again, you can copy the second column and put into the new Excel sheet. Third column also you'll do copy and put into one more Excel sheet. Now you have a second Excel sheet with only your desired columns, correct? Of 1 lakh rows only. That's actually an assumption you have to call it in a virtual table. This virtual table we have to call it as something views. Now maybe you can ask me, sir, what is the benefit with the view? Hey, the benefit with the view is whenever your table is very large in terms of columns and rows, but as per your business use case, you'll be working with specific columns, not all columns in your table. Then you can create a virtual table. You can create a virtual table from your original table data. That's we have to call it something, views, guys. Okay, so a view is nothing but a virtual table which data is collected from the original table only. Okay, now I'll show you how to create it. It's very dead easy, trust me. It's very, very dead easy how to create a view. Okay, so let's give a name. So I want to give a name for this something, uh, EMP salary. Guys, the original table name is employees, right? But I need a view. I need a view. View name is employee salary. Okay. And it's almost a table only. Employee salary is also one table only. But there I need only the 3 columns, not for 50 columns. From the 50, I need only the 3 columns. Because if you see, I'm collecting employee IDs and the salaries only. And that guy belongs to which department. So I was not taking his city and I was not taking, his name also. Okay. So this is something, one more use case. Yeah, maybe we can practice this. Okay. We can practice this one. And always you can practice. You can also, one more thing also you can practice it. So I can go with one more example. I want to create a one more view. The name is something, employee locations. Okay, employee locations. I need a one more view. And there, guys, I need employee IDs, employee names, and their location only. That's it. Only 3 things I need it now. In this use case, I need only the 3. Okay. And also one more thing I want to attach here. One more thing I want to attach here. Pune. Yeah, my table name itself, I mean, my view name itself, Pune employees. So the requirement is, guys, I need a table with 3 columns. I need a virtual table with 3 columns, but there I want to see only Pune employees. I think it's not looking good, right? Maybe I'll go this way. Pune employees. Okay, Pune employees. So I want to create a view with the view names on the Pune employees. I think this is also, makes sense, everyone, I believe. Okay. And also, let me quickly create one more view. View 3 is, again, it's a virtual table. So here the requirement is IT employees. Now I need only, IT employees details only. And there I need employee ID, okay, and employee name and employee department only. And here I need only IT guys. I need only IT guys, not everyone. Okay. So how this filtering will happen? That's everything, very simple, trust me. So we'll try to finish the first one. And yes, the remaining 2 I was giving as a task to you. Okay. Remaining 2, I'll be giving as a task to you. So first we'll try to finish this requirement. Guys, you understood what is first of all a view? Guys, do you understood what I mean by view first?
Yes, sir.
Only one lady has attended the class today. Only one lady. Okay, now I can see some thumbs up symbols. Okay. Thanks, guys, for acknowledging it. Okay. Now tell me, guys, the first three lines. First three lines to create a table. I mean, three words. Sorry, three words to create a table. I'm asking
Create table,
syntax to
table
create.
name.
Create
Okay.
table name.
Create table
Nice.
name.
Right. Create table name. Okay. How to create a sequence?
Create sequence,
Create
sequence name.
sequence
Create
name.
Start with,
sequence.
increment by.
Now, don't you guess how to create a view?
Create view.
So half of the part is clear, everyone? Guys, half of the part is clear, everyone? How to create a view? Half
Yes,
of the
sir.
part.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Now forget about views. I need only three columns from left side table. I need only three columns from this table. Tell me the select query. I'm asking select query to print only three columns. Tell me the select query.
select ID, comma department,
Select
comma
ID,
salary.
comma
No, no, no,
department, comma
no. You
Employees.
salary.
should say select column list. Right. And then from your
Um,
from your
Table
table
name.
name. And then the square basis. Guys, you know the square basis. W
Where
G.
clause group by
Group
having
by
As a
an
heat
having
plus
order by.
order by
ordered.
G
Correct,
H
correct. In
O.
between, guys, you'll be using something, a keyword called as. That's it. This is the syntax of, how to create a view. That's it.
Sir,
Now,
as
I'm
means it will
sure.
become aliasing.
Yes, yes, yes. Absolutely. You're correct. This is, kind of aliasing only, not on beyond it. Okay. So, guys, if you see the syntax,
Sir,
the view creation syntax, have two portions. Very simple parts. The orange color, if you see, create view name. And sky blue color, if you see, your pure select command. And just you need to add a as keyword. So what as will do is, we know, right? Select command will fetch some rows and columns. Select command will fetch some rows and columns. But that rows and columns, you are giving a dummy name, a duplicate name. That's, your view name, guys. I hope this is crystal clear, everyone.
yes, sir.
Chalo, we'll go with the example now. Guys, we'll go with the same example now. Go ahead. The left side one. How to write the query for it? The left side. The first view. Create view.
Create view, employee
Hmm.
salary.
Employee salary
Plus
Correct.
as
And plus salary.
Select
As
ID,
select
comma department, comma
ID, comma
salary.
ID, comma
department, salary.
department.
correct. ID, comma, department, comma, salary. Because
Salary.
you need only that column only.
Three
No.
columns.
Yeah, exactly. You need only these three columns, right? So that's the reason, guys. I'm taking some. This is a blue color. Maybe I'll take it. This is also blue color. Yeah. And then from
From employees.
Employees.
and see, this is all about, your requirement. Sir, should I use where? That's your requirement will talk, right? Should I use group by? That's your requirement will talk. And should I use having? But in this use case, these are all optional for me, so it's not recommended to use it. Does that make sense? The syntax and example?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
And can anyone tell me how to get Pune employees? Only Pune employees. What should I use?
Where
Yes,
location
it
is
is
Pune, sir.
Exactly. Your
Where
select
location is.
query and you have to write where class.
Yes, sir.
And how to get IT employees?
Where department is IT.
Where department equal to
Equal to IT.
That's it. That's it. No. So guys, 1 second. I'm getting people 1 second.
plus R.
Hey, wait, guys, 1 minute. Sorry, guys, I'm back. I was in a call. Sorry. Guys, now do you get a confident to complete your view 2 and view 3? Will you do that?
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Okay, I'll show the execution first. Okay, I'll show the execution first. So, guys, I'll be creating a view now. See, the view is created. See, a message you can see view is created. So, do a commit, do a commit, and if you want to see the views manually, then you can say select start from views. Sorry. I think this is 3 letter or something is I forgot, sorry, my bad. But yeah, in GUI I can show you. In GUI I can show you. Just refresh it. Here we are browsing table now. Now browser views. Browse the guys, views like this. See, you got a view, only one view that I created on employee salary. Okay. Now see the columns are ID, department, and salary. Okay, ID, department, and salary. Now if you go to the data, yeah, you can see the data. Sir, how do I get from, by using select command? Yes, you can do like this, guys. Okay, yeah, here also you are getting the data. So 10 rows. And if you use where class, yeah, definitely, it will be changed. Okay. And if you go to the code also, what is the code I written? You can see the code. Okay, I think they written a different way or replace. Okay, but the syntax is create view, view name. Okay, create view, view name. And we're selecting this columns as you can see this from, your original table. This is something, again, aliasing for the view, guys. This is aliasing for the view. This is optional. And yeah, this is whatever the query we done. That's worked 100% perfectly. Okay. So that's all about, guys, view. And let me tell you a few important notes about a view. HR's, the 101 employee there now. 101 employee salary is 5,000, I mean 50,000, correct? And where from you are getting? You are getting from a view. Let's assume tomorrow, this 101 employee salary is, okay, I change it to 60,000, guys. And yeah, you are doing a write operation on a table. Nothing but you are updating, correct? Now the question is, sir, if I update original table salary to 60, will it reflect here? Okay, will it reflect here? That's maybe a question to you. Or one more case I'll tell you. Let's say an employee table. Okay, I deleted this David. Okay, I deleted this David. Sir, is this effect also available here or not? Yeah, the answer is, guys, the answer is whenever you run select star from employee salary. Okay, the answer I was telling answer. Whenever you do select star from employee salary, what the select query will do is it runs a fresh select query on your table. Okay, whenever you do select star from employee salary, okay, always it will do a fresh select command on your original employee table. Now tell me the answer. If table is modified, will you get the updated data in a view or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you understood the answer. If you want to give a try, you can try. What do you do now? Update this guy's salary. Okay. Okay. And try getting the data. Hey, you need to update in main table. And one more thing I forgot. It's like a PDF, guys. This is like your PDF. You cannot change it. Okay. This is just a PDF, a print copy, a hard copy. You can imagine it's a hard copy. Okay. Soft copy is nothing but your employee table. So if you do any changes here, okay, that definitely will be reflected here. Okay, it's just in a hard copy.
We cannot modify
Uh,
views.
yes, that's what I was telling. It's a hard copy. You cannot modify it. I mean, you cannot do insert, update, delete operation on it. You do only read, nothing but select operations only on this views. Okay. I hope this is clear, everyone. What is view, how to create a view and all. Guys,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
okay, fine. And this is what, I was about to explain about views. Yeah, I have a notes. I forgot to update here. Yeah, I'll upload it today before I was uploading this into Drive. This is view. So you understood the basic definition of view. Guys, can anyone unmute and tell me what is view? Just for a definition.
So virtual table of original table, sir.
Where we use views or why we use views?
You see a part of table.
When you are dealing with a large tables, okay, but when you want to work on a specific columns data, not all columns data, then you can create a copy of the table with required your columns. Then that case, guys, you have to go with something, a views. So the definition of view, first you should say a view is a database object like your table. Okay, a view is also a database object. Hope this is make sense, everyone.
Yes,
Guys, okay, just give me 1 minute. I'll be collecting the notes. I don't know why I missed it. Wait, wait. So is this. Okay, I got the notes. Okay, I got this as well. Okay. Yeah, I got the notes for you. And also, okay, I think I have one more PDF that I'll be sending to you today. I'll be sharing the screen. Wait. Yeah, guys, the views notes was now, updated in my notepad file. So just you can see it. Yeah, so this is, I was talking about. So guys, if you see, there is a virtual table which data collected from the original table. So this is a scenario, okay? And our employee table has 30 columns with 1 lakh rows. But if a developer working with specific columns, okay, then he can create a view. So yeah, so far you learn a table, how to create a table. So far you learn how to create a sequence. Okay. And yeah, so and today guys we'll be learning how to create a view. Syntax, if you see, create view name as select a command only. Okay, since the 4 to 5 days you are practicing only select command, right? So that you have to write it. Okay. So guys, here I explained how to create a view, how to read the data from the view. And guys, this is I think I have not explained. How to drop a view also. Syntax is drop view name. Okay, drop view name. And the note, guys, view is only read purpose. You cannot do other operations. And one more thing is, a view always runs a fresh select command on original table. It means if original table gets modified, then your views also gets modified. That's the summary that I want to give you. And one more thing, this PDF also I'll be sending today. So this PDF is about having class. Okay, it's about having class. So I think today we practiced having with how to write one condition, multiple conditions, and between also. I think I covered these use cases. I just want to go through a kind of a revision for you. Okay. So guys, what is need of having class C? It's generally for filtering. You see the symbol? It's for filtering only. But we already using where class, correct? Then why we are going for a having? Okay. So let me take you in a use case. Let me take in a use case. So guys, this is a employee table that we are dealing with now. So this is an employee table. Just imagine. And guess what this query will return? This query return. Anyone unmute and tell me what this query will return?
From 106 to 110, sir. All the data.
Correct. So we have 10 rows. From 10 rows, you can filter 5 rows by using where class. So ID greater than 105 means 106 to 110 records will be entered. This is row filtering. Okay. For row filtering, we'll be using where class. Like this is what the filter we did it. Now let's talk about the same say another requirement. See, I was printing sum of salaries case in department wise. Sum of salaries in department wise. This is output. See, HR total salary, sum of salaries 5,000, developer 13,000, tester 4,000. Okay. And yeah, null departments also there. Yeah, that's why you can see null department also. Some 2,000 you can see. Okay. Now, this is a result we got from group by, correct? Okay. This is the result we got from the group by. Now the requirement is I want to show the department sum, but whose sum of salary is above 7,000 only. Above 7,000. Above 7,000 means here only developer and accounts will come into the picture, correct? Only developers and account, right? Because they have, about 7. So this is again a filtering, but are you doing filter on rows? No, you're doing filter on a group by result, right? Or you can say aggregate result. On aggregate result nothing but sum is aggregate function. No, that's the reason I was using aggregate result. Okay, so now you need to do filter on aggregate result. In that case, if you try to do by using a where class, okay, yeah, I written where class here intentionally. If you do by using where class, it won't work. I think this scenario also I covered, right? Then what is the solution? The solution is, your having class. Okay. Now, yeah, if you see the definition, your having class is similar to the where class. Okay. They are both used for filtering the rows only. But having class was added to SQL because where is not fit to do filter for aggregates. Okay. And then in that case, you have to go with the having only. Okay. And having you must and should use along with the group by only. Right? I think you practice more than 10 examples, right? And next, it can also contain multiple condition. Yeah, see, using where you let some condition, right? Like relational, logical, in, not in, between, not between, like, not like, right? Similarly, whenever you use having also, you can use all these things, guys. Okay, so that's the point. Yeah, this is something logical and logical or that's what the last statement. And this is a full-fledged syntax of your select command. If you see, select column list from table name where condition. Yeah, see the green color group by and it always immediately followed by having. So it is order. Okay, WGHO is the order. Now having with single condition. Okay, guys, I was sending you this slides. Go through it. You'll come to know. Because I don't want to, waste the time. You can go through it. I have some 3 questions. Like how to create one condition and how to go with second condition. Part by part, guys, you can see it. Okay, second condition, third condition. How beautiful thing. But on top of it, the complex things we already discussed. Okay, just go through the slide. And yeah, please go through this slide one by one so that you can understand. So this is something you're having class summary and the views concept. So today I want to go with the one more use case that is set operators, but I think I don't have the data for it to explain. Maybe I can take this table quickly. Should I don't have this data? No, I think I don't have this data here. Just allow me 2 minutes. Then where is my tables? Sorry, guys, I'm taking your time. Just allow me more 1 minute. Just searching for the tables. I was not getting the tables. That's okay. But I can explain, what I was talking about now, the next topic. Maybe I can play. Yeah, maybe I can explain here what I was supposed to explaining. Guys, everyone has Zomato? Hey,
Sir. Yes, sir.
you guys are using,
Yes,
right? So what kind of membership you have it?
Gold.
Gold, and we have something, normal or something, ordinary membership also will be there, correct? So we do have some different memberships. And the thing is, how the Zomato guys, I mean, I'm talking about the web application owners, how they'll send them, a mail, or I can say something, yeah, gold or silver, these kind of membership, how they will send it to you. They won't directly send to you, right? Let's say you are making the order weekly wise. Okay, at least you are making the orders weekly wise. Then you are eligible for golden membership. Maybe this example will not fit to you, but there's a, in flight traveling, there is a one this kind of same membership will be there. Let me explain you. That still exists in AirAsia because I worked on it. Let's say I travel monthly. Let's say I travel around 2 to 3 journeys for a flight. Any flight you can take, but I did 2 to 3 journeys. And for the 3 journeys, I spent around, about 10,000. So I did I completed 3 journeys, and my transaction amount is 15,000. But there is a one, offer they configured. The offer is, if anyone traveled more than 2 journeys and the fare is, about 10,000. So some coins will be added to your account, guys. And that coins you can claim to your next month's journey. You understood the use case? Guys, you understood the use case? This is we already implemented. It is there in AirAsia. You understood the use case?
Sir, the Flipkart is also best example, sir. The
Correct.
purchasing order.
I was not much using the Flipkart. Now I'll always use Amazon. Okay,
The
but
super
everyone
coins.
understood. Everyone understood the use case, correct?
Yes, sir.
But the thing is, how the people will track us that we will be traveling on each month or not. And in your case, how that Flipkart guys, tracking you, and weekly you are doing the transactions or not. So that's, the topic is about, set operations. Okay. So if you understand the real-time use case, then definitely guys, you'll get some interest. Okay. So I'll take you some tables quickly now. So let's say the table name is something, Jan 2025. This is a table. Okay. This is a table one, Jan 2025. And here I have a customer ID, okay, and customer name. I have something, customer ID and, customer name. And let's say he did, how many transactions he did it. Let's say customer ID is one. Okay. The name is, Ajay, and he did 3 transactions. He did, three transactions. Let's make it orange. Let's take this blue. Similar kind of, table I have it. But currently, yeah, I don't have it. Yeah, tomorrow I can show you this. Let's say to Arun. Okay, to Arun. He did 5 transactions. That's it. 3 Veda. And let's say she did 8 orders, guys. So this is something, January 2025 table. Okay, and let's get into Feb. Yeah, on monthly wise, they can segregate, guys. They have that flexibilities. So here, yeah, customer IDs are nothing but you can consider, phone numbers, guys. Okay, phone numbers. So in February, Arun not made an order. Only Ajay and Veda, made the order. Okay, and let's say March, only this lady had 5 orders, and also one more new guy. Yeah, she made 3 orders. You understood, right? Now, how many tables are there? Guys, you understood, right?
3 tables.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
3 tables. Now, I want to know who is making the order in the 3 months. So, what is the value you'll tell now? Who is the row? I mean, who is the
Veda.
person you will tell?
Veda,
Yeah,
sir.
right. So, I want to know who is making the order, okay, in each month. Then definitely, you'll tell Veda. Okay. Now, as an owner of a Zomato, I want to know unique customers, guys. I want to know unique customers. Unique customers in the sense I want to know all the customers that who are purchasing my products. Tell me, guys. First use case is everyone clear, right? Now I'm talking about second use case.
Ajay, Arun, Veda, Yamuna.
Ajay, Arun,
Aruna,
Veda,
Veda,
Only
Yamuna.
only four people. Only four people,
Yes,
correct?
sir.
That's the second use case. Everyone are aligned?
Yes, sir.
Everyone are aligned? The
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
okay, without repetition. With repetition, how many people will come? I mean, how many transactions will come, or how many rows will come with repetition?
7.
7, sir.
7, sir. 7, sir.
Okay, guys. The queries are ready. So trust me. The only thing you need to understand what set operators are and how to use it. The queries are very simple. And last use case, guys. I want to know who made the orders in January but they did not order in February. Okay, who made the orders in January and they are not made the
Arun,
order in
sir.
February.
Arun.
Exactly. Yes. Then yeah, if you are okay with this, maybe I'll go with some other color, green. Yeah. Guys, you understood, right? The three requirements: blue, I think the purple, and the green color requirements. What is a blue color requirement? What is blue color requirement?
Person who placed orders on all 3 months.
Then you have to use intersect. Are you able to recall the intersect from your maths in 10th class?
Yes,
The
sir.
union
The
intersection.
common element.
Exactly. Same
Union
concept tomorrow.
intersection also.
Okay. Next. What is
Union.
the purple color?
Union,
Purple color.
Unique record.
No. Purple color. What is the requirement of purple color?
Union,
4
sir, like
members.
combining all.
He want to know how many customers are there.
How many customers?
Unique
4
customers.
members.
Who? Not how many I should say. Who are the customers?
Okay.
Without repetition. Without repetition, you have to use union. With repetition, if you need, you have to use union.
Union all.
Correct. And Ladi, what is the blue color requirement? Green color requirement? Green color requirement.
Like
The
Guys,
person who placed the order
Who-
in January but doesn't place order in
who made
February.
the order in January and who
Okay,
not made the order
January
in
and
February.
made
Yeah, then guess you have to use minus, or you can say except. So you should say January table minus February. Okay, you will get Arun. You understood that everyone set operators and when to use set operators?
Yes,
I'm
sir.
sure everyone are clear on this. Okay. Yeah, I think as tomorrow we can see, practical on this. That's all for today. Tomorrow we'll see the continuation. Okay. Don't forget to complete the task on group by. Okay, I given you. Don't forget. Okay. Bye guys. Good night.
Sir, one notice there, sir.
Deva.
Sir, can we use a delete and truncate commands on views?
I'll discuss tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I'll make a note. Thanks, Deva. Bye.